What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Polygon, guys. Ethereum had a nice little pump yesterday. Polygon just kind of started to follow about an hour ago. We're currently sitting at $1.43. We're up about almost 6% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.28 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.29 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here with Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. So as you can see here, Ethereum broke our previous swing high at 3353, and we've come all the way up pretty close to the 0.786 at 3577. Now I have noticed here that we are in a rising wedge. So if we were to fall out of this, I'm going to drop in some levels of support. We could find support here on this previous swing high. Ethereum has just been an absolute beast and is looking very, very strong. 3472. A little back test of support here. If we were to lose that level of support, do target our previous swing high where we hit resistance multiple times at 3353. Your technical target is down here at 3204, but of course we may not see that target as we are in a strong uptrend. So let's pop into Ethereum on the 4 hour time frame. So you can see here on the 4 hour, we had some confirmation. We broke out, we back tested as support, and we continue to trend upwards. We saw a nice increase in volume here. So to give some future price targets, what we can do is take our Fibonacci and go previous swing high down to the swing low. And you can see Ethereum is currently hitting some resistance here on the 1.618. So if it continues and breaks 3577, now we may see a back test of support before then, but your next target would be up here at about 3698, which is a 2.618. If we come over to Bitfinex here, we can see here for Ethereum USDT, there has been a 24-hour change of 88% in short positions. So do keep that in mind, guys. You can come over to viewbase.com to see those analytics. All right, guys. So let's pop back into Ethereum here. So we are starting to trend into overbought here on the 4 hour chart. So keep that in mind as well. I think a back test of support is likely, at least down to about 3472. Before seeing continuation. But if we do lose that level of support, then do target 3353. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, guys, we're hitting some resistance from this descending triangle that I had dropped in our larger descending triangle. So if we were to roll over here, of course, it would pull the market down with it. Ethereum might not be pulled down that badly as it is an absolute beast and tends to pump on its own. So let's pop into Ethereum on the daily chart here. So we can still see our strong bearish divergence on the daily. Now that doesn't mean we won't pump higher. It's just something to watch. Sometimes these can take up to a month or longer to play out here. I was expecting us to come down to about 3006, but Ethereum is an absolute beast and has continued to pump here very close to the 0.786. And then your next target is basically your all-time high at about 4430. So let's take a look at Matic. So we're here on the 1 hour chart. Quick drink of water, guys. Hope you're well. We're on the 1 hour chart for Matic. We have broken out of a double bottom pattern here. We saw a nice green candle about an hour ago, and it looks like we might be coming back to back test as support. We're back above the golden ratio here at about $1.41. So your breakout target would bring you up here to about $1.52 for Matic. But I would trade cautiously with this one and keep an eye on Bitcoin. If we get rejected by this descending triangle, if we create a descending triangle within our descending triangle, we are underneath the EMAs, and we get rejected, it will pull Matic down and Ethereum down with it. But if we do break through and we break through these levels of resistance, that's when we could see that continuation for Bitcoin. So let's jump into the 4 hour chart for Matic. So I was going over this head and shoulders. We have had a little bit of a throwback here, and we're testing the 55 as resistance. So if we break through it and we back test it as support, that would be very bullish, guys. But what can also happen here is we just roll over and we fall back underneath. Then your levels of support are $1.29. We have that massive level at $1.20, which we haven't come back to back test it yet. So that is a possibility if Bitcoin goes through its larger correction for us to come down to $1.20. Our technical target is down at $1 from this head and shoulders. But of course, we're in a strong uptrend, so we may not make it all the way down to our technical target. But if we do roll over here, do target $1.20. Your next levels of resistance, $1.55 and $1.70. All right, guys. So keep an eye on this rising wedge for Ethereum. If you do see it start to fall out, I would expect a back test at least 3472. And then you could see that continuation to 3577 and 3693. But if we were to lose that level of support, do target 3353. And just keep an eye on Bitcoin, guys. If we start to get rejected by the EMAs, we roll over, we will see that larger correction in the market. But if we break through the EMAs, we break through our descending triangle, and we break through this descending triangle, your target is 52K. We are underneath the EMAs. We just printed the bearish cross for the first time, so it'll be a huge bullish sign to break through these EMAs. Otherwise, we get rejected, and I think that bearish scenario will play out. All right, guys, so that's basically it for Matic. Just keep an eye on these levels of resistance: $1.55, $1.70, as well as your levels of support, and just watch for this rising wedge for Ethereum. If it does fall out, 3472 is your target, and your next targets to the upside 3577 and 3693. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe. You can follow me on social, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.